Hi guys, today we're opening this whole bag because tomorrow is Halloween and my dad bought all of the stuff. So I don't know what is inside here. So let's go and see what is inside here. Whoa, so let's start with this big box. I don't know what is in this box, but yeah, there's a cool set in there, I think, because I don't know. So let's open this. So open it, so let's open it now. And look guys, we got a huge pumpkin, and a black thing, whatever that is. And we got balloons and we got mini spiders. Look at that, guys. And we also got this cute little webs, I think, for the spiders. And I guess this is for the table. So this is for the table. And these are more balloons. And we also have for the table more. So let's just put some at the side and let's look for more exploring things. So next up we have this whole candy thing. Oops, something fall down. Let's just put it in there. So next we have this candy little thing. It is full of treats. And this one will be definitely for Halloween. Next, we have one spooky light. So let's try to open this. And we will open it because really I don't know why Daddy got this, but yep, definitely. Let's do it. So you guys see this? They're already trying to get out of here. These are the lights of Halloween, and these are ghosts. So let's open these ones. How do we open them? And then we have some pirate coins coming. So look at these pirate coins. I just like them. Look. So these are the pirate coins. Let's put them in the side. And by the way, we're not opening them so yeah. Next we have more of these. Let's open this later. And then we have this balloon, more balloon. Like it's a big balloon. This is the first packet. So in this packet, there is a huge balloon. It is this balloon. You see this balloon? Is that balloon? And if you want to see back here, look. There's a gigantic balloon that is actually shining. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but yep. So this is the one giant balloon. And final one, we have this. So when you put this on your door in Halloween, then it's gonna glow in the dark. Happy Halloween!